Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I am so sorry for my delay, boys. It has been a crazy move. I'm finally back at the office, have the time, I got the mic up. Oh man, it took forever to remove all these desks and setups, but we're here today. And today's video is special because we're going to go over Pepe 2.0, get some final updates. Let's look at the chart, see where we're currently at, make some ideas of where we could be going, and let's just jump right into it, boys. Alright, so step one. First thing to look at, what is the current market cap? What are we at today? And we're at 26.52. Remember again, when we were here at those near highs, we were at around 50. I think here we hit around 75. And now we're back down to about half of where that original top high was. So if we do that, we're looking at around 50%. Same as when we were kind of doing our last video about it, and we were hoping to see if there was another run started, and it did have another catalyst in that big run. A lot of exchanges started listing it. Let's hope that continues, but this chart is definitely saying otherwise. I don't have RSI on here, I don't have MACD, but here's what we do know. We had another 5 run right through there. We had another 5 wave count right through there. That's where I kind of saw it stop. We had another double top, as they would call it here. One here and one here. And that usually would signal the full-blown downtrend beginning. Now, here's another thing to note, right? The last top high is going to be here. So we got a long way to go from there. I mean, it's probably 200, 300%. Yeah, we're like 250, right? Oh, sorry, boys, I can't see that. 250%. So there's a lot of way to climb to get there, and then the other all-time high that we'd have to pass is only about 100%, I think. About 80-90%. Yeah, let's just say about 100%. And lastly, I do, again, same statement as last. If we break this top, we have a chance to get here, and then we have another chance to get here. The probability for me is looking low as I'm looking through the order book and the mempool, and there is not as many transactions, and the volume has gone down tremendously for the past couple of days. So to me, I do not know if the bull run will continue for Pepe 2, as there has been so many offsprings running around, so many different Pepe options, and I think that's taking away from the focus on this specific token, and that's a negative to us, especially if you're still holding onto this token. I'm currently out, but I do want to see where the next step goes, and whenever I do see a nice buy signal, just like last time, my real hope would be that we just cross this. So real quick, let me put it this way. If we can cross this little path right here and we get over here, I will put in a small buy signal. The minute we cross here, I'll put in a bigger buy signal, and then here I'll triple down on my buy and see if we can make it back to the top, because that's riding the top. And as it continues, I'll probably start selling right here, here, and here. If it continues, if this occurs, the probability, like I said, is not very high, just due to the fact that the hype has dropped down tremendously and not as many people are looking at the token. Liquidity is still good though. We're still not at a terrible market cap, and there's still a huge number of holders. I will say some of the whale holders are out, and you can tell because the last video we had made, it was 13,000 holders, and that 13,000 holders were give me a sec. The 13,000 holders are what got us up to here. So they were whale accounts. Now it's looking more like retail traders. And you do have to think about that when you're thinking about where the token's at, what the number currently is, and where it could be when you're trying to make a decision for a trade. So my end take on this is it's still not a terrible investment. It still has some good opportunity. You just need to have a good play and a plan in action, just like this. If not, you might even have a better one. But just do spend your time thinking about your strategy for the token rather than just assuming and hoping. And remember, this token's already had multiple runs, so it's going to be a lot harder to get that next third run. I really do hope it comes around, and I hope we all benefit from it. Thank you guys for watching the channel today. I will be posting more. I finally got everything set up, so I'm here to help, and I'm here to give you guys as much value as possible. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share, especially if this is important news on Pepe 2.0, and comment down below what you're wanting to see more of. I do not mind. I love making these videos and giving you guys the information you're looking for. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.